Worrying about performance in Python is a bad idea. I suggest you to use a profiler and then understand the slow weird parts of your application and then go from there. You can use you need to know the basics of time and space complexity in your application, and also the architecture to be more performanceful. Nevertheless, you can use Python syntax to improve your overall performance of the application. So go with list comprehensions. List comprehensions allows you to be more memory efficient and reduce the stack trace in your Python bytecode. You can use generators. Generators functions are useful when reading large files and also processing large chunks of concurrent Python level code. And finally, you can use asynchronous Python. Asynchronous Python is basically allowing you to use non-blocking concurrent codes in your application using async await syntax.